Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study microbiology for the FMGE. First, understand the exam structure and how microbiology fits in. Microbiology typically accounts for about 25 to 30 questions, making it a significant section. Next, identify the most frequently tested topics, such as bacteriology, virology, and immunology, to focus your efforts. Finally, develop a realistic study plan, allocating specific time slots for each subject to ensure comprehensive coverage and steady progress towards your goal. To build a strong foundation, start with the basics of microbial classification, structure, and metabolism. These core concepts are crucial for understanding pathogenesis. Choose one or two standard textbooks, like Ananthanarayan or JOTS, and supplement with trusted online platforms for clarity. As you study, create your own concise notes, highlighting important characteristics, diagnostic tests, and treatment options. This active note-taking process significantly aids in memory retention and quick review. Effective learning involves more than just reading. Implement active recall methods, such as using flashcards for organisms, diseases, and drugs, or quizzing yourself frequently. Visual aids like diagrams for life cycles or flowcharts for diagnostic algorithms can simplify complex information. Consistent revision is paramount. Dedicate at least 1/4 of your study time to reviewing older topics. This spaced repetition strategy helps solidify knowledge and prevents forgetting, ensuring long-term retention. Finally, practice is key to success. Solve a large volume of multiple-choice questions, ideally from past papers, to familiarize yourself with the exam pattern. After each practice session, thoroughly analyze your answers to understand mistakes and pinpoint areas needing more attention. Regularly take full-length mock tests under timed conditions to build stamina and manage your time effectively. This comprehensive approach will boost your confidence and prepare you thoroughly for the FMGE.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.